Hello, welcome to our new video. Have you felt trapped in a routine, days blending, dreams just out of reach? It's like running in place, no closer to where you want to be. Frustrating, isn't it? But here's a thought. What if the key to unlocking all those dreams and goals isn't found in the hustle and grind, but within the power of your own mind? Or more specifically, the power of visualization. As Buddha wisely said, the mind is everything. What you think, you become. This is something that our modern era is just beginning to understand. Yet it has been practiced for thousands of years. Visualization is like discovering a hidden path in a dense forest. William James, a wise old philosopher, once said, "The greatest discovery of my generation is that human beings can alter their lives by altering their attitudes of mind." This is where visualization shines. It's a potent tool that can transform the landscape of your life in incredible ways. Think of it as an architect drawing a blueprint before the actual building takes shape. You're the architect here, and your dreams are the structures you're going to build. So how do you change the game of your life? That's what this video is all about. Keep watching until the end, because we are going to explore how the power of visualization can be your secret weapon to breaking free from the rut and stepping into a life where dreams don't just stay dreams. But to get to that point, before proceeding to the video, subscribe Dream Views channel and turn on the notification. Let's start this video. Number 1. The cinematic experience. When you visualize, it's about creating clear, vivid pictures in your mind, not just seeing but feeling and believing in them. You're not a passive observer. You're an active participant. Your brain perceives these scenes as real, and that's where the magic begins. Picture yourself healthy, and studies show your body starts to believe it. Envision financial success. Set the GPS for your financial journey. Whether in love, career, or personal growth, visualization can be your guide. Number 2. Navigating your destiny. Now let's explore the process of visualization, a process akin to navigating your destiny. Consider sculpting your personal masterpiece, a bit challenging initially, but persevere, and soon you'll skillfully shape the canvas of your future. Number 3. Dream blueprint. To begin, create your dream blueprint, also known as idealization. Picture yourself as an architect. Before building anything, you need a blueprint. Specify what you want. Don't settle for broad aspirations. Ask yourself, what exactly does happiness mean to me? It's like programming your internal GPS with the exact coordinates of your destination. Number 4. Explore clarity and consistency. Clarity and consistency. This dynamic duo is the heart and soul of visualization. Clarity involves being as detailed as possible. Picture painting in your mind, where you want to see all the colors, feel the emotions, hear the sounds. The clearer the image, the more real it becomes in your mind. Number 5. Exercise for clarity. Ready for a little exercise? Close your eyes for a moment and imagine standing on a snow-covered mountainside. Feel the crisp cold air, hear the soft crunch of snow under your feet, smell the fresh pine in the air. This exercise isn't just a fun mental getaway. It's training. You're teaching your brain to create and believe in a new reality. The more vividly you imagine it, the more real it becomes to you, impacting your mindset and subsequently your life. Number 6. Power of visualization. How does this whole visualization thing truly change things for you? Remember James Allen's quote, "You are today where your thoughts have brought you. You will be tomorrow where your thoughts take you." This encapsulates the impact of visualization. It transforms your thoughts actively. Number 7. Trusting the process. Trust the process, just like a seed buried in soil. Immediate results might not be visible, but under the surface, things are happening. Your consistent visualization is nurturing these seeds, and in time, they will break through the soil into the sunlight. Number 8. Application in real life. Now let's talk about how you can apply visualization in real life. It's like having a Swiss Army knife in your mental toolkit, ready to assist in various aspects. Number 9. Visualization for health. Your mind can contribute to healing your body. Athletes use visualization to enhance physical training, picturing themselves perfecting routines, improving performance. This mental practice isn't exclusive to athletes. Anyone can benefit from it. Number 10. Visualizing wealth and abundance. Visualize financial success, earning a higher salary, saving, or being debt-free. Your mind identifies opportunities to turn these visions into reality, whether noticing job openings, generating business ideas, or making wise financial decisions. So, what are you waiting for? Start using this amazing tool. Dedicate a few minutes each day to visualize your goals, picturing your ideal life in vivid detail, the career, relationships, and well-being you envision. Let these images fill your mind and hold the emotions they bring. But don't stop at visualization. Combine it with action. Visualization sets the stage, but your actions breathe life into your dreams. It's a powerful partnership between your inner visions and your outer efforts, forming an unbeatable team that can take you to heights you've only dreamed of. Finally, so in the end, as we wrap up our journey through the world of visualization, let's hold on to some key takeaways. Visualization isn't exclusive to a select few. It's a power inherent in each of us. It's like having a secret weapon tucked away in our minds, a tool we've been using since childhood, but now we're becoming more conscious and purposeful about it. You possess the natural ability to shape your future, influence your reality, and create a life aligned with your deepest desires. We hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more useful and informative videos. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your visualization journey. Subscribe, like, share for more daily amazing video.